Kia ora and welcome to Module 1. This is about understanding documents. So in this module, we're going to think about identity, culture and organization, how groups make decisions that impact on communities, and how people define and seek human rights. Our learning objective for the module Understanding Documents is that we will learn how to make decisions and argue effectively. And the mahi we are going to do includes a quiz, some sentence writing, another quiz, and then some paragraph writing. Our success criteria, when you know you have achieved this, is you have got either an achieved merit or excellence for the final paragraph. So let's have a look at what a document is. A document is any form that is used to communicate facts, information, decisions, or comments. For example, Te Turitiri o Waitangi is a document. So is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and so is a rental agreement. Now, the most translated document in the world is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We're going to read through a couple of slides of information and then have a go at a quiz that will follow. So let's look at the document, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We look down below in the blue box. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is an international document that outlines the rights and freedoms of all human beings. So let's break each keyword down. Universal, in the green box, means that the Declaration of Human Rights belongs and applies to everyone in the world without exception. A declaration is a document of things that countries agree upon but which are not legally binding. And human is to do with people, hopefully we know that, and then rights is freedoms to which people are entitled. So the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, it was agreed upon by member countries of the United Nations, including New Zealand, in 1948 in Paris, France. And we've got that asterisk there after the words United Nations, so we go down to the bottom and there's an explanation here. That's what it means when you see an asterisk. It'll be down the bottom, will be an exclamation. As the United Nations is an organization between countries to work together and resolve conflict, and this includes New Zealand. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, it consists of a preamble. That's an introduction that says why it was created and what it aims to do, and 30 articles, which are like sections. Each article or section explains a right. For example, Article 3 says all humans have the right to life, liberty, and security. Okay, it's quiz time. Either if you're looking on some slides, click on that, or go open the quiz in Google Classroom. Ka kite.